Oil spills in waters. What to do? In the event of oil spills in water, the first step is to use floating oil barriers to contain the spread of the oil. The oil is then usually pumped out using hoses. With this method, you not only suck in the oil, but also up to 98% additional water. This results in a huge amount of oil-water mixture, which must be disposed of in a complex and costly manner. The Austrian inventor Franz Frey developed a floating surface skimmer around 35 years ago, with which oil is sucked off the surface of the water. The skimmer works in combination with a mobile oil separator, which was also specially developed by Franz Frey for oil accidents. In this mobile oil separator, the oil-water separation is carried out on-site immediately. Only the amount of oil skimmed must be disposed of. The water that is sucked in is immediately returned to where it came from after separation from the oil. The oil obtained in this way is collected in the oil separator and automatically filled into containers. These devices are manufactured in various sizes by the company Freylit and have been successfully used in around 800 oil spill cleanup projects worldwide. Now let's consider the difference between these two methods using a case study. In 2017, there was an oil accident near Athens in which around 2,500 tons of oil leaked into the sea. The cleanup work was carried out using both methods. Two similar-sized bays were each rehabilitated with one method. After the work was completed in both bays, a very precise projection for the renovation of the entire oil spill using both methods could be made. With the conventional method, around 125,000 tons of oil-water mixture had to be disposed of. Using the Freylit equipment method, only 2,500 tons of oil had to be disposed of. Therefore, the disposal costs for the conventional method amount to 31.25 million euros, while the method with the equipment from Freylit, the costs are only 625,000 euros. The price difference is enormous. The conventional method is 50 times more expensive than the one using equipment from Freylit. A similar result can also be seen when looking at the time required. The team which used the conventional method would have needed 340 days to clean up the entire oil spill. On the other hand, the team that used the equipment from Freylit would have been finished after 14 days. These numbers speak for themselves. We believe all companies that are active in this area should be aware of this result, especially insurance companies. This is not only because of the costs, but also in view of the environment, which suffers particularly from such disasters. Quick and efficient disposal avoids the oil spreading and forming a large oil slick. To prevent such environmental catastrophes, a mobile oil separator from Freylit should be part of the standard equipment in every major port in the world.